Good afternoon, Con here with Tech Out, and today we're going to be doing another battery health update on my iPhone 15 Pro Max. And I think my last one was about 150 cycles. I was pretty much using my iPhone that entire time, so we're 11 more cycles in, and as you guys can see, my battery health has started dropping. So we're at 99% now. And it's all downhill from here. From everything I've seen on, everybody posting about all their battery health and all this kind of stuff. You stay at 100% for a while because the battery is, the actual capacity is a little bit higher than its design capacity, which is what the battery health goes off of, or the maximum capacity goes off of, is the actual capacity that the battery can take versus the design capacity. Obviously, the actual capacity is going to drop after the battery wears. So once your actual capacity is below your design capacity, your maximum capacity percentage is going to start falling, and that's going to happen faster after that initial 100% drop because there's no buffer in there anymore. So 161 cycles, and we are down to 99% on my iPhone 15 Pro Max. As you can see here, the manufacture date was in August of 2023, and then of course the first use date was in September of 2023 when the iPhone 15 Pro came out. I did get this phone on release day, and I've been using it on and off ever since. Obviously, I do have some other devices that I've been using. I had my Fold 4, I have my Galaxy S24 Ultra, stuff like that, and a few other phones that I've had here and there in between that I've been switching around to. So this has been my main daily driver, but it has gotten a break in there for a few months at a time. So I would say I probably use this phone for 6 months out of the almost 9 to 10 months that I've had it now. Coming up on almost a year here in the next 3 or so months. It's the 1st of June right now, so 4 months away. So probably 5 or 6 months I've used this phone on and off total time. And, like I said, it's had some breaks in between there. So I will keep you guys updated on the battery health. I just wanted to let you know it has started to drop. This is obviously not something I'm worried about. I'm only making this video because I was doing the battery health updates at 100 cycles, 150 cycles, and I figured I would make one now that we are off the 100% maximum capacity. And I'll probably do my next one around 200 and see if we have any more significant drops and stuff like that. But just to show you guys that this is completely normal. That is what happens once you lose that buffer. After that initial 100% drop, you're going to start seeing that maximum capacity start to drop. This battery is rated for 1,000 cycles at 80% capacity, so we will see how far we make it. I don't plan on keeping this phone much more than a year because I will, of course, probably upgrade to the iPhone 16 Pro Max. So we'll see where we are when we get there. But maybe I will keep it and see if we can get it to 1,000 cycles. I don't know yet, probably not, but we'll see what we do. And that's where we're at right now with the iPhone 15 Pro Max battery health. I'm Colin with Tech Out. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.